The 2022 Genesis GV70 is an all-new compact luxury crossover with sights set on Mercedes-Benz and BMW. Can this newcomer take out the big boys? We have a closer look right now. To learn more about other options and features, visit AutoNationDrive.com. Click New Cars, research Genesis, and then select GV70. We make it easy to find what you want fast. The Genesis GV70 is a compact crossover that packs in a lot of value without compromising build quality and features. Available with 2 drivetrains and multiple packages, the model we're looking at today has standard all-wheel drive, the top-spec powertrain, and the available Sport Prestige package. Price as you see it here with special Barossa Burgundy matte paint, $65,045 US, including destination and delivery. The GV70 comes standard with a 2.5-liter turbo engine. What we have here is the upgraded 3.5-liter turbocharged V6 with 375 horsepower and 391 pound-feet of torque. It's connected to an 8-speed automatic, which sends power to all 4 wheels. The Sport Prestige package also includes an electronic limited slip differential and these gorgeous 21-inch wheels. EPA rates economy at 19 mpgs in the city and 25 on the highway. Up front, the GV70 has a cabin unlike any other luxury crossover. Lavish application of leather, metal, and wood creates an inviting experience. The 12.3-inch 3D digital cluster can't really be appreciated on camera, but in person it gives a convincing holographic look and is a display technology that is, so far, exclusive to Genesis. Another exclusive is the ability to use your fingerprint to start the car. The seats are trimmed in fine leather with heating and ventilation. A massive panorama sunroof is standard across the lineup. The second row also gets their own climate controls and heated seats. In the Sport Prestige package, Infotainment is an ultra-wide 14.5-inch touchscreen display. This provides quick access to a number of different functions including navigation, entertainment, and a surround view camera system with an augmented reality view. Active safety is at the head of the class with adaptive cruise control, forward collision avoidance including junction turning and crossing, lane keep assist, and blind spot warning with cross-traffic alerts. On the road, the GV70 is one of the most rewarding cars you'll drive. Power comes on quick thanks to the Turbo 6, and the rear-biased all-wheel drive system helps push the crossover through corners with surprising swiftness. A variety of drive modes are available. These adjust power output, the all-wheel drive system, steering feel, and even how the predictive adjustable suspension responds to road conditions. The GV70 is really one of the best driving crossovers on the market today. But don't take our word for it. Visit AutoNationDrive.com to find your local AutoNation-affiliated Genesis dealer. At AutoNation, we have more than 70,000 new and used vehicles available from coast to coast. Find the perfect vehicle, pick your options, and arrange for a test drive at your local AutoNation-affiliated Genesis dealer today.